How to make a food ordering website. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can build your own food ordering website. So let's get into it. Now, first off, you're just going to open up Wix.com. Over here, you're just going to create your account via your email address, and then you can just get started and click on create new site over here to build your own Wix website. So we are using Wix today. You can use any other web building platform of your choice. You can easily follow these steps. They're pretty synonymous on other web building tools as well. So that is totally up to you which one you want to use. Now, I am just going to enter the website name. Let's say I want it to be Jane's Home Cooked Meals. And then I'm just going to click on next over here. Then you can choose any of the widgets, but I'm just going to skip these for now because I am not going to start with a template. I am just going to start with a minimalistic layout, and I will show you guys how to set up your website for food ordering. So you can see that Wix provides you with quite a few different templates. You have hundreds and hundreds of templates as well as so many different categories. You have e-commerce categories where you have things such as home decor, food and drinks, beauty and wellness, and you can check out some of these templates for food and drinks. But if you want your own customized website, you can do that. But there are some good options available, like, this tea shop template, this chocolate shop template. They have a subscription box template, as well as an online grocery store, a food blog, and a drink store template. So you can choose any one of these, but I'm just going to click on blank templates on the top right over here, and you can get started with a absolute blank template, or you can just take a simple layout template. So I'm just going to go on ahead and click on the classic layout, and I'm just going to click on edit, and I will begin editing the basic layout. So you can use platforms like Vecteezy for royalty-free images and videos that you might want to add to your website, as well as royalty-free vector art images as well that you can use as logos for your website. So you really don't need a template to get started. You can get started from scratch on Wix as well. And we're just waiting for our Wix website editor to load over here so we can get started with building our own website. So now you can see over here, my simple layout has been loaded. Over here, you can see on the top left, I have the pages section, and on the left side of your screen, you will find this navigation panel. This is where you will edit and add any of the things that you want onto your website. So I'm just going to go into the menus and pages section, and I am going to remove the gallery section. So I'm just going to delete this page over here because I don't really need a gallery page in a food ordering website. So I'm just going to click on this, and I will go on ahead and go into the settings. You can see that this is a sub page, so I will actually have to make this an individual page, and then later on I can remove it as well. So I'm just going to manage my pages from the pages and menu section. You can see you have multiple different pages, and I'm just going to click on gallery. I'm going to move this to the top, and then I'm just going to delete this page from here, just like that. And I'm going to remove these services pages as well. Now you can see this is my home page, and I will begin adding my site name on the top left over here. Now, once I've added my title, I'm just going to expand this, and then I'm going to go on ahead and click on this section over here where I will talk about my, food service. And just like that, I've added, some motto, logo text, or, a simple text, and then below that I'm just going to enter an image. So you can see this has multiple images, and I'm going to click on manage slides over here. So I'm going to click on change slide background, and I'm going to click on image over here. And once you click on image, you can upload your own images as well as find royalty-free images from media from Wix, Unsplash, or Shutterstock. So I'm just going to search for food, and I'm just going to use a couple of food images. So I'm just going to go on ahead and update all three of these. And once I have added my photos, I'm just going to go down, and you can see you can add, your menu items or anything of that sort. I'm just deleting this section for now because I want to focus on the actual web building aspect. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go into menus and pages, and you're going to click on add page. I'm going to click a services over here and add your food menus in the form of services, or you can simply, take a blank page and add that if you want. That is totally up to you. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on store, and you can click on add Wix store over here. So Wix Stores is now being added to your website. In the shop section, you're actually going to be adding your product or your menu items, whatever they might be. So what I'm going to do is I'm just waiting for Wix Stores to be added, and this will allow customers to order from you. So once you have done that, you will see a new section called Shop, Cart Page, Thank You Page, and Product Page. So in the shop page, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into the product page first. And once I go into the product page, you can see it's currently empty. So I'm just going to click on manage products over here, and I'm going to delete any of these sample products that are going to be added with the template or with the Wix shop, because they do give you some sample products to test out and see whether or not the Wix store application is working. So we're just going to wait for those to load so I can add my own shop items or my own food items. So I'm going to add that later on from the dashboard. So I'm just going to click on publish on the top right, and I'm going to click on publish and continue. And I'm just going to click on view site over here. And now I'm going to go back to my Wix My Sites platform. And once I go into My Sites, this will show me the website that I have created. So I'm going to click on select site over here. And this will lead me to the Wix management dashboard. And from here, I will customize the products because it's taking a little too long from the website editor to actually customize the product. It's going to be simplified if you just go into your website dashboard and then go into your store products. And then from here, just go into products. And now you're going to select all. And then you're going to click on delete over here. So I'm just going to click on delete. Now I have 0 products. And now if I refresh my website over here, you can see it shows me that I don't have any products. So now I'm going to click on new product over here. I'm going to add physical product. And now you're going to click on images so you can begin adding images for your product. I'm going to go with media from Wix. And I'm just going to search for any food item, and I'm going to list it in the Wix store. So I'm going to click on add to page. And then below that, you're going to add your product info. So you're going to add your product name. So once you add your description, you can just scroll down and then you can add another info section. Below that, you're going to just enter the price of your item. So we're just going to add the price. You can also calculate your profits by adding the cost of goods if you want, but we're just going to skip that for now. And then you have inventory and shipping. So we're just going to keep this in stock. You can add a SKU number as well. And you can also choose to pre-order a item. So if you want people to be able to pre-order from you, you can enable those features as well. And then you're just going to click on save over here. And once you have clicked on save, the product will now be added to your website. And if I refresh my website over here, so you can see I refreshed my website. I can go on ahead and take a look at the item. So you can see this is the image of our item. So we can just click on add to cart over here, and it would be added to our cart. You can click on view cart. And then you can set up your payment getaway however you want. So if you go on ahead on your Wix website dashboard, you can manage your payment getaways from here. So you can just click on your finances and add how you want your payments to be from. So you can click on manage payment methods, and you can set up all of your payment methods that are available for you. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.